I am very far from being a naturally organized person. I'm so jealous about the people who can just stand up and go tidy. When I lived with my parents, I always argued with my mom because I didn't want to help her around the house. But when I moved out, I realized that I was a pig. For some reason, things just started to disorganize. What a surprise, huh? Hey mom, look, I'm sorry I didn't appreciate how smart you were keeping all this home of 4 people very clean and organized. Thank you. Can you come to me and clean a little? Hello? Also, I realized that I liked clean spaces and I wanted to keep my space clean. I just didn't know how. In this video, I will show you the habits that organized people like mi madre do that without any exaggeration, maybe just a little bit, can change your home from this to this. Organized people clean their kitchens every single evening. There are many benefits to that, and one of them is that you just come inside your kitchen in the morning and see that it's nice and clean. Maybe when you just start doing this habit, cleaning your kitchen in the evening, you will not notice any difference, or you will not enjoy this cleanliness in the morning, but later you will start to value how amazing it is to come into the clean kitchen in the morning. You can just start making your favorite cup of coffee in the morning without fighting with that Mont Blanc of your dishes in the sink. Also, having your kitchen tidied in the evening can give you a sense of accomplishment. Even if the whole day was lazy, if you finish it off with making your kitchen tidy and organized, it can give you a sense of some accomplishment, like your day was not in vain and you finished it the right way. This is what success looks like when you're over 20. We disorganized people sometimes don't complete things. For example, we take something out of the closet and we don't put it back, or I can simply open the cupboard at my kitchen and not close it eventually. Sense of completion is something that we disorganized people have to develop in order to stay organized. And finishing your day with making your kitchen look good is one of the things that can help developing this sense of completion. Another thing that organized people do is they organize every day. Yeah, literally every single day. One of my biggest mistakes in organization is to think that it is fine to let things pile up till that magical day, maybe Saturday, when I finally start tidying up. But that's wrong. As a result, things were dirty throughout the whole week except that 1 or 2 days when I finally get things done. Picking up after yourself, doing the laundry when it got dirty, not because it's Saturday, or just making your bed. This all doesn't have to wait to that magical day when you usually make your cleaning. It takes only a few minutes, so why not just stay organized till Friday? Because we always plan it to do this from Monday, but we rarely stay organized people till Friday. But you know what really helps? Cleaning and organizing every single day, even if it's just a few minutes. The third thing that organized people do is that they declutter regularly. Sometimes we think that decluttering is just one-time session that we, get rid of 90% of what we have once and then forget about it. And sometimes it's true. Usually most of us need that one big session of decluttering. But it doesn't stop there. If things have ways to regularly come into our house, they have to have ways to regularly get out of our house. Monthly or quarterly declutterings can help you stay on top of things. It's nothing too difficult. Just set up 30 minutes, take a basket, and go around your house, find things that don't serve you anymore, and declutter them. Because if you don't do that, it will actually become a big pile of things that you need to manage. And if you got a lot of things to manage, organization becomes harder and harder. So decluttering regularly is a key to solve that. If you are enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. I will really appreciate it because it helps my channel grow. Thank you. Another thing that organized people do is that they serve the basket goddess. Did you know that there is a cult of organized people? I also didn't know that. But baskets are something that can definitely help you stay on top of things and be more tidy. Containers are very easy to manage. This is a perfect and simple solution to making things organized without even, trying hard. Especially if you're not that much into the, space management science, into dividers and organization systems, baskets is a way to start. Containers or baskets, they help you organize things. They help you keep things of the same category in one place so that you always know where the things of the same category, like documents or medicine, are situated. As a result, a thing that doesn't have home yet can go to a basket family that already exists, or they can create a new basket and a new category of things that you will store there. The one thing that impresses me the most about organized people is that they actually somewhat like organization. This might be controversial, but I've always thought that organizing and, decluttering and cleaning is unlovable. And this mindset itself made me a messy person. When you think of organizing as, a torture, of course your mind will not ever want to get tidy. That's why shifting your mindset is very important. When I lived with my parents, my mom could just stand up and out of nowhere she felt like cleaning, and she started to, for example, deep clean the oven to make it look good. Like, what? I was standing there in awe, just not being able to realize what she was smoking or how come she just wants to stand up and get organized. And some people do have that talent. Unfortunately, I'm not that person, but changing the mindset hugely helps. In past, I thought that I would never have that mood for tidying, but eventually starting to realize that this will always be with me. I will always have to organize things. I started to understand that this is not that bad. I even started to enjoy organizing more. What really can help is something that a book, Atomic Habits, says, that you might just attach your organization habit with a habit that you already have, but that brings you a lot of joy. Listening to music or listening to a podcast along organizing your home. This way you attach a habit that you don't really like with a habit that you like a lot more. And this way you will not, feel like it's a torture to go and tidy your home. One more thing that is described in Atomic Habits, I really enjoyed that book, really recommend, is shifting the mindset from I have to do that to I get to do that. Every time the thought I have to do that comes to my mind, I try to replace it with I get to do that. Because eventually not everybody has a home, not everybody has tools to clean or objects or belongings that they can take care of. Eventually I just want to be more grateful about the things that I have and take care of my belongings that brings me joy in my life. So instead of saying or thinking I have to do that, I say I get to do that. Малыши, давайте попозже поиграйтесь. 5 минут дайте мне. Эй, не надо. Let me know in the comments what are your tips and tricks for staying organized. I'll be very interested to read that, and we can all share our experiences and maybe get some tips for ourselves. To get even more organizational inspiration, I recommend you to watch this video. Here I set up 33 pieces of clothes that I'm gonna challenge myself to wear for the next 3 months. By the way, this shirt is from there, so if you're interested, go ahead and watch it. On the left, you can find my Patreon page. This video is made possible thanks to my patrons family. Thank you very much, guys. If you'd like to support my channel and get exclusive supplies and videos, you can do that by the link in the description. I really appreciate your view and your likes and comments, and thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day. Goodbye.